everybody. My name's Big Cuck, and this is Killing Floor. Sorry, Guild Wars
Nice.
2.
Nice,
Yep,
nice
right.
one there.
Is that how you do intros?
It's close enough.
Oh, I love area retail. It's just what I need.
Here's an area mole.
Now we fight for real.
Don't interrupt.
Oh boy.
Welcome to Skyhammer.
Oh, what a knockdown.
Boulder. Pick up the boulder. Character. Good start.
Show your weakness. Gives me strength.
Weakness makes me gag.
Moss man.
Oh.
How I meant to do.
But now we fight for real.
Now we fight with agony.
All the time.
Watch out, we hit a pocket of what is that?
We get a pocket of what is that? How to pace NPC conversations. This whole fractal is just like a perfect example of how not to do that.
Yeah.
You're
Sure,
not
this
wrong.
must be a lair.
I sure hope we get an update of the Molten Duo as the leather farm. I think that would be interesting.
Why are they updating it?
Sounds like it's not going to be fractal related. Though.
They said challenging group
Oh,
content,
watch out for these guys.
and it probably won't be from the raid, so you never know. I hope it's something to do with fractals, because I like when they update that stuff.
Wow, these guys used to like put down lava fonts that one shot. Now they just don't do anything. Oh, there it is.
There it is.
Oh, they also had a thing where like they give you a stack of burning every time you touch them.
That's
So
fun.
if you cleave through them at once, you just die immediately from burn stacks. I think they removed it because now burning can actually stack in intensity, and you die immediately.
Almost there.
I'm on fire! Oops.
Nope, we're staying here, dude. Don't run off now. You'll get killed.
Run along now. I want to weapon switch.
Oh,
That's all I
fuck.
want to do
Oh,
with my
fuck.
life.
Alright, we're good. Hey, an exotic. That's neat. Whoops.
Nice try, Jade Ma. Oh,
Oh,
he's
he's back.
going again.
Did he get
Oh,
stealth?
he got
Oh, he
stealth.
got stealthed. Yeah, yeah.
Stealth, Jade Ma.
That's fun.
Bounced. No, 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 no. Okay.
I have to get the
Doesn't
armor.
get here in time. Oh. I fucked up. I'm dead.
Well, have fun.
Oh, this is the one I was supposed to jump on. I'm not gonna make it.
Ah, damn it.
Ignore the
Just
pace
ignore
run
the
through.
pain,
Yeah.
dude.
Okay. What the fuck did he get through? Oh my what? I guess I'm just gonna chill here.
Alright, see you later.
Believe me, I do.
Believe it. I do.
Mm,
Should have
I did
bram your
crap.
mom's dead.
you don't even
You
know it yet.
fucking nerd.
Oh, you know what I was thinking about the other day?
That Bram's mom's dead?
Yeah. But
Yeah, it's funny.
That and
it was we like Ram's mom died, and they hold this whole thing for a
Oops.
ceremony, and then like nobody gives a shit that Churn died.
Oh, that's true.
I know, right?
There's no like funeral service or anything. It's just like, yeah, who cares?
Did Dana accurately predict that their audience doesn't give a shit about that character? Although I
I
didn't give a shit about.
love that they have you
Yeah,
kill him too.
yeah,
It's
anyway,
like such a
but-
fan service. Like, fine, you don't like him? Fine. Fine. It's fine.
Watch
Hey,
my
test
phone.
subjects have arrived. Where
Hey, you'll
are they?
pay for
Us?
this.
What a twist of events.
So I'm gonna try to be clutch. Can't guarantee it's gonna work though.
You know what I learned the other day? You know the Mesmer Shield 5? That actually blocks projectiles, apparently.
Yep.
Not know that. And I
Knew
fucked
that.
up my Isis Reflect with it. But no one else knew either, so... Now it's published online, though, so I guess I'm gonna get raped. People know I suck ass.
You know it.
Ooh.
I know it.
How are you gonna
Someone
get
have a
good at
knock
dodging
that.
shockwaves and just chill in the corner all day? Gotta get good.
Yeah, whatever.
Oh, I suck. I suck again.
Um,
I was afflicted on this. What?
Can't jump those. Reach out.
Take it away. I saw it burning.
you know it.
Do we have a spirit up?
Yep.
Oh.
I switched to some.
Like,
because
last
we
I
have a
checked,
lot of
fucking
conduit.
Bonfire didn't apply 13 stacks of burning.
You're probably right.
Got some fresh air at least.
Time for some fresh air, at least. This is way more entertaining to dodge. Oh, it's hacks, you're not allowed to do that.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, you hacking?
I'm sorry.
Hacker.
I love how they move slightly back and forth to try and duke you out. Oh, it almost got me.
Can't juke me. I'm the gingerbread man.
Yo. Call me ninja. I suck.
Oh. It's gonna get.
They like move slightly left and right.
Yeah. Someone got a knock.
I hope you get
Thank
that, Paul.
you.
Okay, good. Cause I don't. Yo, there's no social awkwardness. 10 out of 10.
Awkward.
10 out of 10. Best content.
I got it.
I got faith, Paul. I got faith.
Wall's
got
probably
faith.
back
Got
up.
it.
Yep.
Oh.
I got faith. Save me, Paul. You didn't save me.
Got it.
Wow. Can you do it again? I believe.
Got it.
Oh!
Nice.
Can you do it again?
You got it?
Got it.
baby.
Oh my god. It's a true combo, ladies and gentlemen. You heard it here first.
Got it.
Yeah,
Oh my
baby.
god. Actually, I got the block for that one.
My
somehow.
last one though.
No, the dream.
Whatever.
The dream.
That was all in my head.
I committed anyway.
Oh wow. Oh wow, that hurts.
Eh.
Now we know. Almost have enough to do that by myself. What else could I throw into...
Fire everything. Bah. I guess that works too. Why did it not? I thought you could block those.
You can, but it hits multiple times.
Hits lane, yo.
Oh,
You failed me for the last time, Paul.
It's funny, because I actually didn't, even though I did.
Sun spooge rat, stone spooge rat, get a life.
Spooge rat. Nice. Good one, chat.
Only the best. Moat stack.
Who even needs might stacks? Not me.
Well, Paul's running Radiance now, so he can't fucking give me might anymore.
What are you talking about? I'm not running Radiance.
Oh, I thought you were doing Scepter Torch.
Nah.
Fuck.
Not
It's okay,
enough
I just got
cleave, bro.
Celliform up. Right at the end.
You gotta cleave for Fractal Strout.
Maybe you need to
You
spend the
gotta
whole
cleave.
thing before the fucking fight started.